Hey guys, what is up? The Grand 5 here, and welcome today to our very first video of Burnout 3 Takedown. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. No dilly-dallying around. Now, I think this game is actually gonna take longer than Burnout Revenge, maybe twice, 3 times as long to complete, because there's so many things in this. But, enough chit-chat. I mean, it's only been short chit-chat, but let's go ahead and get started. I just skipped the menu entirely. We're going straight to the action. Once again, no dilly-dallying. Ha! We're all coops. We're all coops. We're all compacts here, but my car is still better. Hey! Okay, I deserve that. That's what I get for saying that. Already we got to this. We got this already. Hey. The boost on these cars go down quick. No you don't. Oh, no, we're not doing the impact time. I hate the sounds that impact time makes. Oh, how I hate it. It's so cryptic. If you want to hear the audio files for yourself, if I don't do it on here, then you can go check them out. I mean, request a link if you want, but... Oh, come on, I was hitting that guy. Serious? Wait, who's up in front? Whoever they are, they're way ahead. They're gone. They're not even in view anymore. This guy's a professional burner. Wait. Never mind. There he is. I'm catching straight up to him. Did you think you could hold first place forever? Oh, guess who's here to take it from you? If I can get some boost. Hey. No, you don't. That's exactly what I wanted. Takedown target achieved? What do you mean? Oh yeah, I forgot this game has goals, like miniature awards or stuff. I can't remember exactly. And I'm not sure what to call them either, but... You know. I don't really think I can actually show them in this either, because I think music actually plays during it. I mean, I have the music audio all the way down, right? But, like any other game, there's always going to be that one thing that never does mute. So, yeah. Oh, come on. Can we get that signature takedown? I remember that there's a signature takedown here. Come on. I just want it. Get it. Oh, no. Come on. Get... Dude. Even though the AI isn't trying to, they even get on your nerves. You ever get annoyed because an AI doesn't actually, fail? Yeah, that happens all the time. But there has been those moments on my channel where I actually want something to happen, and the AI never does it, and that's what annoys me. I mean, multiple different things happen, you know? Okay, let's keep the boost streak going. I need to do some stuff. 4 seconds ahead. I hope so. Come on. Ooh. How does that not get us boost? Yes. Boom. You can't stop me. Oh boy. We just had a pile up. I'm going to have to pause the video for this. This is going to play a lot of music. If this thing will stop lagging. Oh yeah, it's these things. This is what I was talking about. Now we can go ahead and continue, but we got a crash event over here. We can't pass up the crash events. Hey, where the heck is DJ Strike? Oh, no, no.
Okay.
Okay, enough with the silly tutorial. Oh, fire truck. So enough with the silly tutorials and yada yada yada. Let's go ahead and get straight into the crashes. You may notice I sound kind of hyper. Well, I am very excited to do a crash event. And this is one of my favorites, actually. Why do I get the truck from the beginning, huh? Oh, yeah! This is how you cause a lot of damage. You thought I was going to play the Phil Swift meme, didn't you? Sorry, that ain't happening. I'm not playing the Phil Swift meme. Nope. Nice. You know what? I can't help it.
Oh, that's a lot of damage!
We got a road rage event. Here we go. Let's do this. I really like the sounds of these cars on here. Sounds nice. We already got the bronze medal. And we're already getting torn. Woo! Let's swap insurance. Oh boy. Ha! Oh no, into the wall. Why did I just do that? I just... No! Nah. I failed at getting those after-touch takedowns. All takedowns now 25% off. Oh crap. Yes! We got a signature takedown. Oh, okay. Well, he's going fine. When you just stand still like that, it's like the whole game just goes mute. So much quietness. And why not? A second time around. Uh-oh, bus! Bruh. Hey, got an after-touch takedown. That's nice. Now, what was the gold medal target again? I already forgot. That's just me. My memory. Oh, double down. Takedown target achieved. What did we achieve? We achieved swapping insurance for the 4th time. I keep crashing into every single civilian car. Every single one. Ah, no, no, into the wall with you. What, really? I got the gold medal though. And they're oh, geez, okay. I just launched his car into the atmosphere. And there goes my car burning its rubber as it's totaled. See? Totaled. Oh, we got 2 new cars. We'll have to try them out later because I don't think I can actually show them on here. Anytime you unlock something like a vehicle or an award, it always wants to play music. You can't have music in this. Or any copyright music, at least. We got the snapshot. Okay, I think we got enough time for one last crash event. The road rages and the crash events are the crowd favorites of Burnout. And I actually like that I get to use a better car for once. Oh, automatically into the explosive tanker truck. Chaos is already arising. Oh boy, okay, well. Oh! Holy crap. Uh-oh. Buses! Woo! I love me some good old destruction in the morning. Well, it's the afternoon, but you get my point. We've been making money. We making it rain on them. I'm kidding. This ain't even game currency. Well, anyways, guys, I think that's all the time we're actually gonna have. Anyways, guys, be a master, stay a master. I'll see you guys next time. Good night, everybody.